I always get the question, how do you not lose all your hair after changing colors every month? So I figured this would be a great YouTube video that maybe Brad Mondo will react to one day. It is the month of May currently, and in January I got a professional blonde done so that I could continue to color my hair every month. So this is where we're at 4 months later. The color I am going for is neon yellow. Then I think in the future I'm going to do like a pink, and then in the fall do a brown because I have some trips coming up where I don't want to have bright ass hair. The first step I'm going to do is a bleach shampoo. A bleach shampoo basically lightly lifts the remaining hair color out. You do it on wet hair with diluted bleach so it's not as intense on your hair, and it should lift out nicely. So I'm going to measure out the bleach shampoo, equal parts developer, bleach, and Head and Shoulders. Then I'm going to wet my hair. I'm also going to add this Ion Color Brilliance Booster Step. I think it's an Olaplex dupe, but every time I add this into, anytime I lighten my hair, the damage is way less. Brushing out my towel dried hair. Goal is to not put any bleach on my roots. Try and fake an ombre. Like keeping my roots when I have bright colored hair so I don't have to touch my eyebrows and I don't have to worry about the roots. Here is the mixture of the three. That should be enough. Kitchen glove time. I think I should move fast just because I want the bleach shampoo to affect all my hair the same way. We'll see how much this lifts. I've had this in my hair for about 15 minutes total. I'm going to check on it every 5 minutes. Let's see what the yellow looks like. It's been 20 minutes since the bleach shampoo is in, and it looks pretty light. I'm gonna leave it in for about 5 more minutes and then rinse it out. Rinsed it all out, and this is what we got. I'm pretty happy with it, and my hair overall is pretty fried. The ends are screaming for their dear life. So now I'm going to dry my hair and start dyeing it. It looks very orange, but in real life it's not. Here is it dry. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I'm also going to shoot a TikTok while I am shooting this. Today we're going to be using Iro. I've used them several times before. You could squeeze all the juice out of this baby. Not sponsored, but they did send me these. So this is actually very conditioning, and they usually smell really good. So the damage just comes from lightening the hair. The color does not damage your hair. Punky Color sent me this toolkit, and it comes with a, what are these called? A cape. They sent over a cape, and I don't have to ruin this priceless Defy shirt, a company that doesn't even exist anymore. Google it. Punky Color also sent me this stain eraser that you can put both before and after you get stained. The first shot I always get for my TikToks is a squirt at the beginning. I get them in the first 3 seconds of the video, okay? Just put the first bit on there, even though I didn't want to really get my roots. Fuck! My whole face is yellow already. Okay, I shot 5 shots in my TikTok, and it's been 24 minutes. And I dollop a shit ton of color on, a good dollop, and just work it in. I've already dropped on the ground. So that's awesome. Can I have a water? Does that have dairy in it?
I don't know, I'll bring you the water.
Okay. I have 3 minutes to get ready for my podcast, but I finished everything, and I'm going to put a plastic bag over it so it keeps it moist as it marinates for about an hour, hour and a half. I have neon all over me, but I'm gonna go record a podcast now. I don't think you're ready for this reveal. Ba-ba! Wow. Wow! It came out so good. There's a little orange here, but I don't mind it. Love it. It looks like a wig. I highly recommend that Punky Color stain remover because my ears were bright yellow and they're mostly gone. There's a little bit here, a little bit in my middle part, but that'll naturally come out as I shampoo it more, and my hair feels a little healthier than it was. And once I get the ends trimmed, it's gonna be perfect. This color is something, huh?
4 to 6 weeks later.
Okay, I wanted to give an update on how the color has faded, and this is 5 weeks exactly from when I dyed my hair. For the first 3 weeks, I was using cold water so that I kept the neon in my hair as long as possible, and then the last couple of weeks I've been using normal temperature water. So this is the color. I'll be able to do another bleach shampoo and get a little bit of this color out and go to my next color. I'm thinking pink. Let me know if you guys like this kind of hair content. I should have been doing this years ago when I started dyeing my hair in 2020. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok. I really like TikTok, other than it stealing our personal information apparently. But honestly, who isn't these days?